What is going on, SHIB Army? It is Ahmed, and I am back today with yet another video for you all. And today we're going to talk about Shiba Inu yet again. Guys, the price action is looking absolutely fantastic. We found our support, and now we continue the rally. Remember, of course, my videos are not for financial advice. I'm only trying to put you guys on the plays that I'm in. So if you've made any money in SHIB, or you are loving this rally, make sure you smash that like button, subscribe to the channel, and join the army. We're approaching 83,000 subscribers, guys, which is absolutely insane. If we keep this up, I think we can even get to 100,000 subscribers, believe it or not, by the end of the month or the end of next month. But without further ado, let's get into Shiba Inu. 2,839 Satoshi units. Yesterday was the day to load up the bag. We streamed, we mentioned what I truly have in terms of expectations going into the weekend, just in preparation for a potential drop of the NFTs. Now, a lot of people have been asking me, what is your realistic price prediction by the end of the month, by the end of November, or maybe even by the end of December? And guys, if we keep up this momentum and we keep this kind of energy in this crypto asset, there's literally no stopping us. The media has all eyes on SHIB. Every brokerage, everything on social media right now, 100% is invested in to Shiba Inu. So let's go ahead and talk about some of the things that Milkshake started tweeting out earlier. Some big names that just bought into Shiba Inu in the last 24 hours, and why I truly think that we are still very early for our favorite crypto asset, which is SHIB. Before I continue, guys, I want to mention there's 2 links in the description below if you want to support the channel. And again, buy Shiba Inu with 0 commission. Go ahead and click the link for Webull. Get your 2 free stocks valued up to $2,300 when you deposit 1 cent into your Webull brokerage account. Take advantage of these times, guys. We're making money in the crypto market. Let's also make money with grabbing some of these stocks and do what you got to do. And also, 25% of revenue made on the merch drop, Shiba Inu times YourPOP merch drop, 25% of all revenue will be completely burned. We're going to burn it, buy Shiba Inu with it, and burn it live. I'm going to show you guys full transparency of the analytics of the store. You guys have been killing it. So many hoodies have been already purchased. And I can't thank the SHIB Army enough for supporting me, supporting this journey. So grab a mug, grab a face mask, grab a phone case, whatever it is. Grab something to do with this fantastic crypto. Because again, we want to show the world why we are the best community ever. Now, couple things. You guys saw Milkshake tweeted out earlier today, about 30 minutes ago. We are being contacted by multiple media sources at this time. I can't keep up. SHIB is making such an impact in the crypto space and breaking records. We are doing exactly what we expected to do, guys. And I'm going to show you this chart that I think is going to shock a lot of you. Because again, when I say we're still early, based off of how the overall market is trending right now, you will be extremely surprised why I think Shiba Inu really has a lot of room for growth yet to come. So things are looking really good. But one of my favorite YouTubers that I've been watching ever since the beginning of the pandemic, when he started making videos about stocks specifically and a little bit about cryptocurrency, is Meet Kevin. One day ago, he made a video called Shiba Inu. And at the end of the video, he told why he bought, I think it was about 69,000 plus another $10,000 or $20,000 worth of SHIB. He increased his position and he bought into this crypto asset because, again, he thinks that it has the potential to rally as the overall global cryptocurrency market continues to really do well and exceed all expectations. The stock market right now has been under consolidation and a slight sell-off, so people are coming into crypto. People are coming into the crypto space to make money. So guys, for those of us if you've been with me, go back in time. If you've been with me since day one, we have been doing absolutely great because we've been pouncing. And that's why I came up with making the mug. Shout out to everyone who recommended it. When they panic, we pounce. You guys know how we got to do. So what I want to mention is now we're starting to see media attention. And this is what I want to touch on. If you're with me always on the live streams, you guys know this is one of my favorite charts in the entire world. And it says stock market psychology 101, but I think this is applicable for SHIB. And then we'll talk about why I think Shiba Inu's price action will continue to grow and my prediction for end of month here in October 2021. Right now, we just underwent what we call the stealth phase and awareness phase. The beginning of the takeoff phase. A lot of new investors are for the first time learning about SHIB. And again, things were going mad. We're talking 100, 200, 300% gains in the last few days. And we just had our first sell-off. Following this graph specifically, a lot of people think we've already overextended. No, folks. The first sell-off just occurred. We had, then a significant correction, 25, 30% correction, which looked like a bear trap, right? People started getting some fear, but now pay attention. The media is covering SHIB. I'm talking big headlines, Forbes, it's all over, YouTube, everywhere. And then the enthusiasm starts to begin. And watch how this graph goes. Enthusiasm, greed, delusion, and then a new paradigm. We, again, are still potentially here in the awareness phase, and we are yet to see the top of the mountain. The top of the mountain before the next cycle. So again, for those of you who've been asking me, do I buy into SHIB? Is it time to buy in now? All I will tell you is if we follow what looks like the typical market psychology and market cycle that we see time and time again, I'll say it once and I'll say it again. I don't think it's too early and I don't think it's too late. With that being said, you make your own decision, do your own research and due diligence based off the things that are coming for this crypto asset. But I still think right now, with all the media attention and enthusiasm, we're just getting ready for the significant takeoff and the parabolic price action that we're expecting. So for me, based off just looking directly at this market emotion and market cycle, you guys got to realize we're at 2,819 Satoshis, recovering nicely from the first sell-off yesterday. With that being said, at an $11 billion market cap, based off current projections and continuing to rally as we've done in the last 3 days, really just consolidating and running, what I truly believe is by the end of the month, if we continue to keep up what will happen, we're not going to double, we're not going to triple. We will surpass Dogecoin and become a top 10 crypto asset by the end of October. Based off of that, meaning that we will potentially see a $35 to a $40 billion market cap for Shiba Inu by the end of the month, just based off of, again, the market emotion and market psychology. Because we're yet to get here. And then after that, we'll still potentially continue. Robinhood might post, right? Which will get even more media attention, which will get people more enthusiastic about the crypto asset. Look how many people have Shiba Inu on their watch list right now. 1.2 million individuals currently have SHIB on their watch list. When you look at holders, we're right around 700. I think we're actually at 720,000. So it's not updated yet on CoinMarketCap. But regardless, folks, I truly think what we're going to see for the rest of this month is going to be something special. It's going to be something rewarding for the army. And I am holding, diamond handing my way. And again, if we see any corrections along the way, guess what I'm doing? I am buying the dip. And I'll show you guys that, of course. If you want to click the link for Patreon and join me on my live buys and sells, go ahead and do that. But I'll make sure to keep everyone as updated as possible. Keep the content coming your way. We're probably going to be going live tonight. Mr. YourPOP and Rigor Mortis will hopefully be going live tonight together when I go home for the weekend. So really excited to see what's in store. If the Shiboshis go live, you guys know what we're going to do. We're going to try to mint them. I'll try to do a live stream, show you guys the minting process, buying it on the SHIBASWAP, and I'm hopeful that I'll be able to at least get some, if not the full 10. We'll see what happens. The buying power is set aside. I have bought my leash, so be prepared, not surprised. SHIB Army, always. You guys know, when preparation meets opportunity. You guys have been with me since day one, especially those of you who joined me on the channel when we were at 800 Satoshis, pulled down to 590. Remember those days, guys. Remember those days that we struggled. And remember, there's always beauty in the struggle, a lot of beauty in the struggle. And that's where we really built this community and this amazing community. Really. I keep saying community, but remember, Ryoshi's vision initially said that he has a big vision for this crypto asset because, again, it's nothing like none other. There's no other crypto asset out there right now that is doing what SHIB is doing. With this community, with this decentralized finance, their applications that they have, and the utility and the use case, because people are asking right now. The haters are joining on board. The fudders are joining on board. The big celebrities that were anti-SHIB are now pro-SHIB. They invested into SHIB, and they're making it vocal. Thank you all so much for tuning in. I really appreciate everybody's love and support. And until next time, SHIB Army, I salute each and every one of you. Smash that like button and subscribe, and keep investing. Peace.